Agile Equipment is now selling a new vacuum cleaner, the Sebo G5 Professional Upright Vacuum. Trusted by carpet cleaners and restorers alike, this vacuum is a solid, reliable, and daily performer in commercial and residential settings. Probably the most important feature, the G5 has a strong 225 M-bar suction and a rotary brush, so it actually pulls debris out of the carpet. Without a brush, most vacs just slide over the top and leave the entrenched debris behind.
This vacuum is actually pretty easy to use, and it's because of this rotary action that comes from the brush that helps propel it forward. It's like it's gliding over the carpet.
To make it more effective, Sebo allowed for an adjustable brush height to match the pile height of your carpet. If the brush light turns red, simply change the height until it's at its correct height, making it great for commercial short fiber carpets and tall pile residential carpets. The brush can also be removed easily to clean out stuck hair, string, or debris. Its foot pedal for quick release makes it easy to use the vacuum at any angle, including the full 180 degrees to get under furniture. Any restorers worrying about successful PRVs can take confidence in its S-Class filtration system that filters out 99.9% of particles down to 0.3 microns. Other great features include its edge-to-edge extraction, its pull-out hose and wand for all the nooks and crannies, as well as this easy-to-remove dust bag system also sold at Agile Equipment. It also has a quick cord release system that makes it super convenient when setting up the vacuum. You can buy the Sebo G5 Professional Upright Vacuum at agileequipment.com.au or visit our Brisbane showroom in Murray. Thanks for watching.